Hi, welcome back to the garden. Some people say tomato, some people say tomato. Some people say potato, some people say potato. Let's go ahead and see if we got any potatoes. Now, a funny thing happened on the way to the potato patch. Oh, we've got potatoes. Look at that. Yeah, these have been dying back. I've been watching them a little bit. Look at that. We still have some good growth on those, but the rest of these look like they're just about done. This is Roost Stout's method. We just dropped and covered. And then you just pull them up. Let me just pull the main plants out. Oh, there's a couple more. We had a variety of different kinds that we threw in here. So I'm not sure what we're going to get, but let's go ahead and see. These are beautiful. Now, I didn't know if we were going to get any potatoes or not. We planted around the edges this year, but we had critters come in and they kind of ate the entire patch. Oh, that's nice. Oh, there you go. These aren't too bad. We only planted a few, and nothing looks like it's been chewed on. But just look how nice that soil is down underneath that mulch. I woke up our toad. Sorry, buddy. We'll just put you back under the mulch. Huh. That soil is awesome. This is a great example of just how fast this mulch breaks down. When we put this in with hay and leaves, it was this deep. Now it's just barely covering. It's definitely not the most potatoes I've ever dug. Some years are good, some years aren't so good. We had a heck of a vole infestation last year. We've run most of them out of here. Can't guarantee we got them all. It's a pretty good size area. Every time it rains, dilutes that castor oil a little bit. And like we found with the groundhog, he kind of got used to it. The lure of the sweet potato leaves outweighed the smell of that castor oil, I guess. That's gardening for you. You can do this too, and if you want to learn more about the deep mulch, click that link right there. I'll meet you back in the garden. If you want to learn about the living soil, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. Potato, potato. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.